Drawing with Ava. Hi little friends, I'm Ava. Welcome to our drawing and painting channel. Today we're going to learn and draw one of nature's funniest animals. You know what a little animal this? It's the monkey. Now get ready and let's go. Let's start drawing from your head. Let's go around the whole head, making each curve, step by step and very slowly. Did you know that monkeys are incredibly intelligent and sociable primates? They live in groups called flocks. They are known for their funny and curious behavior. Let's leave the marks for the next strokes, so that you can complete the outline of the drawing later. Monkeys are very active and playful animals, and it is common to see them playing with each other and exploring their environment. Now we finish the outline of the head. Let's draw now the right ear of our monkey. Follow the line very slowly. We then draw the line that separates the face from our monkey's hair. The monkeys have a distinct and characteristic appearance. Their bodies are covered with hair, their tails are long and their facial expressions are very expressive. Very well! Continuing, let's draw the left ear. We finished the head. Now let's draw the details. We draw the left eye. It was very easy so far. And we draw the right eye. It's getting good. We draw the details of your little nose. To finish the face, we draw his mouth. Wow! Our face is complete. It is perfect. Shall we draw your little body? We start below the head and we're going to go down the line very slowly, going around your arms one at a time. First we go around the right arm. A curiosity about monkeys is that they have great intelligence and learning capacity. They are able to learn complex tasks and use tools. We now outline the left arm. It was very easy so far. Let's draw his little left leg. Monkeys usually have brown or black fur and come in a variety of sizes and shapes, depending on the species. Now we draw his feet one at a time. Monkeys are also able to communicate with other monkeys using vocalizations and gestures. Wow! It turned out really good. Our monkey has a very short tail. It is important to mention that monkeys are protected animals and their hunting and commercialization are prohibited in many countries. Finally, we will draw its back leg. Now we separate its front legs and that's it. Wow! Have we finished our outline? It was beautiful. Are we going to paint? I have already separated the two colors that we will use. Let's paint our beautiful monkey. We'll use the brown to paint your whole body. We start by painting your left leg. We will paint your arms. Left and right, one at a time, very slowly. Remember to pay attention to the curves and details to create a very realistic painting. It turned out really good. Now we paint his right little leg. Continue painting very slowly. Now we can paint your head brown. Did you know that the monkey has the ability to easily grab itself with its hands and feet? This allows you to move easily through the branches of trees. Very well! It was very easy so far. Ready! We finish with the brown color of the head. To finish our painting, we will use beige to paint our monkey's feet and face. We started painting down her feet, one at a time very slowly. Did you notice that he has a hidden foot? Probably he is sitting on top. Wow. The monkeys are very playful. Okay, we finished the feet. That. Our monkey is already getting complete. Okay. Finally, we will paint your right ear. Now we paint her face very slowly. We outline the right eye. Remember to pay attention to curves and details to create a very realistic painting. We outline your face. Continue painting very slowly. We outline your left eye. Has every face of our monkey been painted? Very well. Let's paint your left ear now. Wow. Our monkey is already complete. Little friends, our drawing of the monkey was beautiful. It's a very colorful and happy drawing. Drawing and painting with me is a really cool way to learn about monkeys. Congratulations! It turned out amazing. Thank you for drawing this cute monkey with me so far. I hope you had a great time. Now, you can leave a like on this video and subscribe so you don't miss any new drawings. I will always bring new designs here. A super kiss from Ava and see you next time. Drawing with Ava.